What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about this. It's called a pan. Actually, if you're new here, please consider subscribing because that's one way of supporting me. It's raining here, a lot of rain over here. Oh, you can imagine it has been raining for almost an hour. So when I came to Europe, I thought that I'll find Ugali here. But things have been different, everything, there's no, maize flour. It's not easy to find maize flour. So since I came for 2 months now, I've been eating this. You can imagine how I miss Ugali. So it costs 0.5 euros, so it's 50 Kenya shillings. Yeah, one pan like this is 50 Kenya shillings. So I have to eat this with everything, just like Ugali, man. You can imagine, but it's so nice, it's so delicious, super nutritive. You can imagine. But one thing is that, the truth to be said, is that I miss Ugali. It has been raining since morning, that is why I have my heavy jacket, and it's very cold here. You can imagine how. Look at the street, water all over. Right now, let me take off my mask because at this point I can take my mask. So I was talking about this pan. It's so nutritive, so nice, very delicious. But when I think of Ugali, I miss home. So I've been eating this for 2 months now, but it's so good, so nice, super nutritive, as I said. It only cost, like I said, it only cost $0.5. But in Kenya, I think in Carrefour is $1, I guess. So anyway, it's so nice. So it has been raining in this street, as you can see, a very beautiful street, very beautiful architecture, a lot of rain, a lot of cold. That's why I have a very heavy jacket. So I wanted to show you how I'm surviving in Europe, because I miss Ugali for real. But all in all, we have to survive, and I use this as my Ugali in anything, be it soup, be it anything, just like Ugali. And people here use it. They've been using it, and they're healthy. It's healthy. You can imagine how. So thank you guys for those who are stopping by. Please consider subscribing to my channel, because that is one way of supporting me. As you can see, this place is so good, so nice. It has been raining all through, a lot of rain since 1 hour ago. So thank you for stopping by. I wanted to share with you about this amazing video. So thank you. See you next time. My name is Chef Matiko. Adios.